Yeah, this is my first time of seeing a FedEx truck rested in the rest area over here on the its fashion and the game over here in the Walmart parking lot. You know, unless and they deliver mail not just only to apartments and stuff like that and different. They must do it to any type of business that or whatever. That's probably what it is. So I'm back up here at it again. It ain't nothing like the old YouTube. I think I liked it the YouTube back then, the real stuff that they, when it first kicked off. When YouTube first hit it off in the early 2000s, it was right. But now in this late 2000 that they've been changing updates and stuff, YouTube been a bunch of shit. But it's still fun. I like uploading videos, but it's just been a bunch of crazy shit. I like the older original YouTube better. So I'm gonna see y'all later here. All right, I'll be back.